In this video, we'll talk about few of the very commonly used tuple operations. Just like list, we have concatenation, repetition, slicing, and indexing and negative indexing in tuples as well. So this video is kind of exercise for the viewers. Whoever are following my string and list episodes, so this is going to be very easy for them. If you're not watched, just go back to my previous episode and please continue your learning. Here is the question for everybody. I have a list. I is equals to 100, 99, 10j. Okay, now print I of 0 star 10. What is the output of line number 3? Second question, print I what is the output of line number 5? Then print I what is the output of line number 7? Then I plus I. So please comment what is the output of the print statement provided in line number 3, 5, 7 and 9. I'm happy to read your comments and I will reply to each and everybody's comment. Thank you for watching.